Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best vinyl siding mounting block is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked components for a clean and professional-looking exterior. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing, installing, and maintaining these unsung heroes of vinyl siding installation, ensuring your house looks its absolute best while protecting your investment. We will explore different types, sizes, and materials, helping you make an informed decision based on your specific needs and project requirements, so you can achieve that perfect seamless finish. Number 5. Arlington 8141 DBL Siding Kit. This kit makes installing light fixtures on your siding a breeze. It's designed for 1 2-inch lap double siding, but works on many other types too. It's compatible with T111, hardy plank lap siding, and even flat surfaces. No more struggling with tricky installations. The built-in electrical box ensures a UL-listed, fast and easy installation. Simply mount it after your siding is up. It features a textured, paintable surface, allowing you to seamlessly match your existing siding. Customize it to your home style. Everything you need is included, an NM cable connector and 4 screws. Get started on your project right away. Upgrade your home's exterior lighting with this simple, effective solution. It's the perfect choice for a quick and professional-looking installation. What we like. This one has a built-in electrical box, making installation a breeze. It's also UL listed for safety, ensuring a worry-free setup. If you're looking for a quick and safe installation, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. I searched the internet for siding fixture blocks that work with 5-lap siding. I'm convinced only custom blocks may exist and hard to find. The good news is this block is extremely easy to alter to work and looks great. These are very sturdy and looks nice installed. They didn't exactly align up with our vinyl siding, but was easy to cut with a hacksaw to make them fit. After looking for mounting solutions locally to fit aluminum siding and only finding options that didn't even come close to fitting, I came across these. They fit extremely well with only a very minimal spot on each side to caulk. Number 4. Vinyl Siding Mounting Kit. It's made of sturdy plastic with a paintable surface, ensuring a snug fit on various siding types. This ensures a long-lasting and secure installation. With dimensions of 6.63 inches by 6.63 inches, it's the perfect solution for double 1 2-inch lap siding. It's also easily paintable after caulking. Installation is quick and simple. Just follow the 3 easy steps: drill a hole, cut the opening, and mount the box. It's suitable for various exterior accessories such as lights, cameras, and doorbells on different siding types and flat surfaces. This makes adding new features a breeze. The package includes a mounting block with a built-in electrical box. Everything you need for a professional-looking installation is included. Remember to seal the top of the box to prevent water penetration, leaving only the bottom drainage hole open. This will protect your electrical components. If it doesn't perfectly match your siding, simply caulk around the top for a secure and watertight seal. This ensures a perfect fit every time. What we like. It boasts a compact design, perfect for tight spaces. Plus, its paintable surface lets you customize it to match your siding. If you need a versatile and adaptable solution, this is for you. What people say. Needed this to hang an exterior light on my back patio that was hung in the siding without a mounting piece like this. Make sure you have a way to drill a circle portion out of the mounting piece to attach it properly and drill bits. The install was simple enough and the quality was very nice. This mounting pieces creates a seamless appearance. I purchased this item to create a flat surface for the base of a flagpole. It fit perfectly between my lap siding. I decided to spray paint it black to match my flag base, and it looks very sharp while holding up well over time. This is exactly what I needed to set up my Ring camera floodlight. It worked perfectly. Number 3. Siding Mounting Kit. It's made of sturdy plastic with a paintable white finish. This ensures a perfect match to your existing siding, or you can leave it as is. With dimensions of 6.53 inches by 10.23 inches, it's the ideal solution for 4-inch vinyl siding. It's designed for a snug fit and easy installation. Installation is quick and simple. Just follow the 4 easy steps and you'll have your new light fixture mounted in no time. It works with various siding types, including T111 and hardy plank. Adding exterior lighting to your home has never been easier. Everything you need is included: mounting block, electrical box, cable connectors, and screws. You're ready to start your project right away. Remember to seal the top of the electrical box to prevent water damage, leaving only the bottom drainage hole open. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need for a seamless installation. The paintable surface allows for easy customization. If you value convenience and a complete package, this is the one for you. What people say. Use this to mount a Govey outdoor house light on the vinyl siding and it fit perfectly and looks great. Designed to be used when the hole opening for the wiring is located in the middle of the slat, not between 2 slats on the crease overlap. Installation was super easy. They were exactly what I needed when installing exterior carriage lights on a newly constructed building already sided. These worked great to add lights on both sides of my garage. It allowed the lights to be installed level instead of slanted, which is how they would have been installed if installed directly to the siding. Number 2. Vapikirv Siding Mounting Kit. It's made of durable, high-quality plastic for a solid feel. Its white finish can be painted to match your siding or light. Installation is quick and easy. Simply run wires through the center hole for a safe and secure fit. It measures 4 diameter x 6.61 w x 0.5 d x 6.61 h and fits 1/2 lap siding. Minor adjustments can be made with caulking if needed. This kit works with various siding types, including T111 and hardy plank, as well as flat surfaces. The built-in electrical box simplifies installation. You'll receive the mounting block, a cable connector, and screws. We're committed to your satisfaction. If it doesn't perfectly match your siding, use caulk around the top to prevent water damage. Remember to leave the weep hole open. What we like. This octagon-shaped block offers a unique aesthetic. Made from high-quality plastic, it's built to last. If you appreciate a stylish and durable solution, this is ideal for you. What people say. Great idea to include the box and block in one unit. Fits on Dutch, flat, lap vinyl siding perfectly. You honestly can't beat the value of this. It gives you a code-compliant box, it mounts easy, the included hardware is high quality and the construction is very solid. Went up in minutes, 0 complaints, fit well. This mounting block is solid and well made. It includes a small electrical box, so no additional box will be needed unless there are too many wires. Number 1. Arlington 8141F Siding Mount. This is the Arlington 8141F siding mounting block, designed for a seamless and professional installation. It's a simple, yet effective solution for your outdoor electrical needs. It features a paintable and textured surface, allowing it to blend seamlessly with your home's siding. This ensures a clean, finished look. The integrated electrical box eliminates the need for separate components. This simplifies installation and saves you time. It's a one-piece design with no loose parts, making installation quick and easy. There's no assembly required, just mount and connect. Made from UV-rated plastic, it's built to withstand the elements and provide long-lasting performance. It's designed for years of reliable service outdoors. It comes complete with an NM cable connector, providing a secure and convenient connection. Everything you need is right there in the package. What we like. This one-piece design simplifies installation and eliminates the hassle of loose parts. The UV-rated plastic ensures long-lasting outdoor performance. If you prioritize durability and ease of use, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. The Arlington mounting blocks are electrical boxes first, designed to fit vinyl siding. With the Arlington boxes, I can exactly align the box with each box, mount it rock solid, and there's enough space in the Arlington box for wires and twist nuts. They make for a nice clean install and is surface mounted so you don't need to cut in a box. This perfectly match my other siding mounting block, and easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.